In the life cycle of digital product development, power users represent a critical yet often underrepresented segment of the user base. These individuals are highly engaged, deeply knowledgeable, and frequently seek advanced capabilities beyond standard functionality. They are often responsible for driving innovation, discovering edge cases, and maximizing the efficiency of the tools at their disposal. Catering to the needs of power users not only enhances product adoption and retention, but also contributes significantly to the continuous improvement of the platform. These are focused on customization, efficiency, integration, security, and automation, exactly what power users typically value. We'll provide some examples of user stories crafted from the perspective of power users. These stories follow the standard format. As a power user, I want something so that I get value.
Configuration and customization. As a power user, I want to customize keyboard shortcuts so that I can speed up navigation and reduce reliance on my mouse. As a power user, I want to save and switch between multiple workspace layouts so that I can quickly adapt my environment for different tasks. As a power user, I want to define default settings for new projects so that I can avoid repetitive setup tasks. As a power user, I want to apply and share custom UI themes so that I can create a visually comfortable working environment. As a power user, I want to configure advanced user roles and permissions so that I can manage team access with greater precision, automation, and productivity. As a power user, I want to record and run macros so that I can automate frequent multi-step actions. As a power user, I want to create automation rules with triggers and conditions so that repetitive tasks are handled automatically. As a power user, I want to batch edit or process items so that I can save time when working with large data sets. As a power user, I want to set scheduled tasks and recurring workflows so that I can reduce manual effort for time-based operations. As a power user, I want to trigger workflows via API or webhook so that I can integrate with other platforms programmatically.
Data and analytics. As a power user, I want to create and customize dashboards so that I can monitor key metrics that matter to me. As a power user, I want to apply advanced filters and multi-level sorting so that I can extract meaningful insights from complex data. As a power user, I want to export raw data in various formats so that I can analyze it using external tools. As a power user, I want to write and run custom reports or SQL-like queries so that I can retrieve exactly the data I need. As a power user, I want to compare trends across different projects or time periods so that I can measure performance and growth.
Workflow management. As a power user, I want to clone entire workflows and projects so that I can reuse successful setups without starting from scratch. As a power user, I want to build reusable task templates so that I can standardize common processes across the team. As a power user, I want to visually map task dependencies so that I can better manage complex project timelines. As a power user, I want to automate task reassignment based on progress or rules so that I can ensure smooth handoffs. As a power user, I want to use conditional logic in forms and workflows so that I can adapt steps dynamically based on input.
Security and access control. Security and access control. As a power user, I want to set up multi-factor authentication for sensitive actions so that I can enhance data security. As a power user, I want to view detailed audit logs so that I can track changes and maintain accountability. As a power user, I want to set access windows or time restrictions so that I can control when users can access certain features. As a power user, I want to encrypt or mask sensitive fields in reports so that I can share data securely. As a power user, I want to assign roles and permissions in bulk so that I can efficiently manage user access for large teams.
Communication and collaboration. As a power user, I want to mute notifications for specific topics so that I can stay focused on high-priority work. As a power user, I want to configure notification rules based on conditions so that I only get alerts that are relevant to me. As a power user, I want to bulk invite users with custom templates so that I can speed up onboarding. As a power user, I want to comment using Markdown and syntax highlighting so that I can communicate technical details more clearly. As a power user, I want to tag users by skills or role so that I can find and assign the right person quickly.
Integrations and extensibility. As a power user, I want to build or install custom plugins so that I can extend the platform to suit my needs. As a power user, I want to integrate with tools like Slack, GitHub, or Jira so that I can centralize my workflow. As a power user, I want to monitor and troubleshoot integration errors so that I can ensure reliability and fix sync issues quickly.
Supporting power users. Supporting power users with robust, flexible, and intelligent features is essential for any mature product ecosystem. These users often act as internal champions, advocates, and early adopters of advanced functionality. By understanding and addressing their specific requirements, as reflected in the stories outlined above, teams can design solutions that drive higher productivity, deeper satisfaction, and greater long-term loyalty. These user stories serve as a foundation for designing high-impact capabilities that align with the expectations of experienced users. Incorporating them into your product planning will ensure the experience remains scalable, configurable, and powerful, attributes that are critical for long-term success in competitive markets.